So I took a trip to the outlet. This isn't what you think it is. I went to the Adidas outlet because, Yeezys are supposedly popping in at half off. They did have Yeezys. They had these and these. They had a pair of Quantums, and I want to say another 700 minivan or MVN, whatever you want to call them. But they didn't have my sizes, and the only pair that I would have caught, I think the biggest was 11 and a half. However, since I was already there, I figured why not look around and see what I like, because I am a fan of the Adidas. You know what I'm saying? I rock regular three stripes outside of the hype joints. So I found these half off. So yeah, if you're watching this, I'm trying to get this up very soon. I'll probably get it up tonight if everything works out in my favor. But yeah, half off sale going on right now at the Adidas outlet. Adidas, Adidas, however you want to say it. But yeah, so check out the box. Something different. Wasn't expecting this. These are the Adistar cushion. I think they're $150 retail, and of course 50% off, $75. I think like $79 out the door with tax. But yeah, this is something different. It's still that dad shoe vibe. I did try them on in the store, and the 12 fits perfectly. 12 and a half would have gave me a little bit more room, but it's not like a deal breaker. So yeah, we get the Adistar cushion. Definitely reminds me of like an Asics. Like this right here, this logo back there, the little design, that looks like the Asics logo. I don't know if that was intentional on behalf of Adidas or Adidas, but I don't know. It's kind of like a hybrid. Like there's a collab with Asics, man. You got the Adi Asics. Well, you get the Orlando Magic theme. You get the nice black mesh with the white overlays. It's like a rubberized material. I don't know if that's coming through in the camera. Get those blue hits on the three stripes. You get it on the tongue. Also on the midsole. And then you get a little bit of silver too. This just feels like a early 2000s runner. I know I was a young bull in the early 2000s, but I do remember having like these white and blue Nikes, like running shoes type thing. I used to wear my uniform because in elementary school I had to wear a uniform. And this shoe just like reminds me of that for whatever reason. I couldn't begin to even think of the name of the shoe because that was, like I said, early 2000s. I don't know what I was wearing, but I knew they were like one of my favorites, and this like reminds me of it. You get the blacked out trefoil logo on the heel, that black mesh embroidered, so it is embroidered. That's dope. But yeah, I don't know. It was just something about these. Now I will do my research to see if there are any other colors, because this right here with the red instead of the blue would be crazy. Maybe like an orange as well. I feel like this silhouette right here could do some numbers. Like these could compete with the Nike Vomero. Similar price point. I think the Vomeros are $160 retail, and these are $150 retail. But if you catch them on that half off joint, $75, you get two of these for one Vomero. And I'm just saying, you get you the same vibe. They're lightweight. And I'm saying that because I do own 3 pair of Vomeros. So I'm not just saying that because it's cheap. If you want to, switch it up a little bit, you don't want to be like everybody else, you can cop the Adistar cushions. But this is dope. Definitely, they're more durable, I would say, than the Vomero, because the Vomero, they're very lightweight, all mesh. Now these have like a different mix of materials. They definitely feel sturdy. This is probably meant to be like a runner, I would say. Well, even though Nike, Vomeros are technically running shoes, they were like more of a lifestyle shoe to me. But yeah, I think these you probably could, put them on the pavement, put them on the track, get busy with them. But I'm rocking these casually. The Adi Asics, man. But yeah, definitely check out your local outlets to see if there are any pairs in there that you want, you know, for the 50% off. It's worth a shot to at least look around. You see, you might surprise yourself. If you're a Yeezy fan still, or you just like the shoe, or you were waiting for the shoe to go on sale, whatever your reasoning is to, you know, seek or, you know, seek out a pair of Yeezys, the time is now, especially with the half off. You really can't go wrong if you like the shoe. And like me, even if you don't find what you want, you might find something that you weren't even looking for. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, I'm trying to get this video up ASAP. So hopefully you have some good luck at the outlet.